Let's draw a Christmas tree.
Artsy with Mariah.
Welcome to Artsy with Mariah, where we turn a blank piece of paper into a colorful masterpiece. All you're gonna need for today's video is a piece of paper and something to color with. Let's go on our drawing adventure. Before we start, I want to thank Lexi for today's drawing idea. So to start off our Christmas tree drawing, we're gonna go towards the top of our paper and I'm going to create a tiny little triangle up here, and this is going to be the top of our Christmas tree. How we're gonna make our Christmas tree is we're almost gonna make it look like we have a stack of triangles that goes on top of each other. And I'm gonna repeat that process as I go all the way down the tree. If you guys ever feel like I'm going a little too fast, please feel free to pause the video or watch it again once we're done. This is how tall I am going to make my Christmas tree, but you can make yours as short or as tall as you want it to be. Next, we're gonna come to the bottom of our Christmas tree and we're gonna add a square. And this square is going to represent the trunk at the bottom of our Christmas tree. Next, let's add a skirt to the bottom of our Christmas tree. We're gonna do that by drawing an oval that starts right behind that little trunk that we drew in. And this is going to be a way for us to decorate our Christmas tree, and you guys will be able to make these whatever color you think will be super cool. Next, we're gonna come to the very top of our Christmas tree and we're gonna add a little decoration at the top. I'm going to do a big light bulb at the top of my tree just by drawing a simple circle. You guys can feel free to do whatever you want at the top of your Christmas tree. You could do a star, you could do an angel, you could even do a snowman at the very top if you're feeling really fun today. But I'm just gonna do a simple circle just to keep it easy. I think it would be fun to make it look like our Christmas tree is covered in a little bit of snow. So I'm gonna start adding some squiggles to the bottom of each part of our Christmas tree. I'm gonna do that by coming across, and I'm just making squiggles that go up and down, and I'm repeating that all the way until I get to the very top of my tree. And for the very last step, we are going to add ornaments to our Christmas tree. I'm gonna do that by drawing circles that are decorating all the little sections of my Christmas tree today. You guys can feel free to place these wherever you want and make them as little or as big as you want them to be. And now for my favorite part of the day, adding in the color. But first, before we do that, I want to introduce you to my old friend. He's going to share with you guys the word of the day.
Hello friends, my name is Artsy Arthur. My old friend Mariah asked me if I'd be willing to come onto the show and share our word of the day. So let's get to it. Today's word is tradition. A tradition is a special thing that families do together every year. Like how many families bring a Christmas tree into their homes and decorate it with lights and ornaments to celebrate the holiday season. That reminds me, I need to add some doggy bone ornaments back onto my tree since I ate them all as an afternoon snack. Anyway, let's get back to our drawing lesson with my pal Mariah. Toodaloo.
Thank you, Arthur. It was so good to see you. Okay, you guys, now let's add in the color on our Christmas tree. I'm gonna start by picking out a dark green coloring crayon, and I'm gonna start filling in the big parts of my Christmas tree. We're gonna start at the very bottom and making our way to the top. And I wanna make sure I'm not coloring in those squiggles that we added because I wanna leave those white so they look like snow on our Christmas tree. And I'm also avoiding the ornaments as well because I wanna add colors in for that. So right now, I'm just filling in everywhere on our tree that is gonna be colored in with green. And now I'm gonna take a yellow color and I'm gonna color in that circle at the very top of my tree to make it look like it's a really bright light decorating the top of my Christmas tree. And here's where you can get really creative. I want you guys to pick out all of your favorite colors to put on the ornaments of this Christmas tree. I'm gonna be using some red on some of the ornaments. I'll also be doing a little bit of blue, along with some yellow and pink as well. I'll let you guys decide. You could either keep the snow on your Christmas tree white like it is right now, or you could pick a light blue color if you have light blue. I'm gonna take my light blue and I'm just gonna start filling in all of that snow. And then we're gonna use a dark brown color and we're gonna fill in the trunk on our Christmas tree. Lastly, I'm gonna take a dark red color and I'm gonna use that for the skirt on my Christmas tree. Feel free to add stripes or polka dots. You could even add things to the edges of the Christmas tree skirt. Feel free to get really creative with it today. And there you have it, our very own Christmas tree drawing. I can't wait to see what you guys came up with. Today's featured artist is Kennedy. Wow, didn't she do such a fun job on her narwhal drawing? I love the rainbow that she added on the horn and the stars she put on as decorations. Keep up the great work, Kennedy. I can't wait to see what you do next. If you would like to become our next featured artist, ask an adult to go to artsywithmariah.com. Remember, the sky is the limit when it comes to your imagination, so keep drawing and keep dreaming. I'll see you guys on my next artsy adventure.
Remember to hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all things Artsy with Mariah. Until next time, toodaloo, my artsy friends.